Alright, let's take a short position here. Russell 2000, execute, point and click on the red column for our short. We got our fill. Let's go ahead and bring our stop into break even, which is brown cube. So the red marker to the brown cube is a break even. Now we're at break even. Each tick here is $10 per contract. We're in 10 contracts. That's why it's moving by increments of 100. Go for a 5-tick profit target here. 5-tick profit target. So that would be the $10 a tick times the 10 contracts times the 5 gives you $500 profit target. Here price looks like it's going to make another run down here, hopefully enough to, well, so hopefully we don't get wiggled out here prematurely. Now this trading platform, oh, there we go. Nope, no fills, close. Trading platform is point and click. Green column, you point and click on next to each price for the buy, and the opposite for the red column for the sell. We hit on the sell side. That's why we have the green profit target at the bottom, and if we did it the other way, the green profit target would be at the top. This is for those of you who are not familiar with this type of trading platform. I know many of you are, but many of you are not. We train you on all this. Still in the trade, still have not got stopped out, still have not hit any of our profit targets on any of our contracts. So we just sit and wait and let the trading gods do what they will here. Alright, we got stopped out. We're down $70. Took a little bit of a slippage on that one, of a negative slippage. Let's go on to the next. Alright, here we go. Another short. And we're in. Again, 10 contracts short. Go for a 10-tick profit target here. So remember, $10 a contract times the 10 contracts, it's $100. That's where it makes each of these price points worth 100 instead of 10. $10 a tick per contract. So the 10 contracts, 10 times 10. But we're going for a 10-tick profit target. So that's 10 times 10 times 10, which is your $1,000 profit target. Right now we're still at the break-even point, which is the brown cube. That's the average fill on all 10 contracts, which is 42.2. And we just hold tight here. You can see we're using some support resistance. Getting close to our profit target again here. Hopefully third time's a charm. We got a little bit of support here, so we may see a pullback to a certain point. I think we've already determined we're in a bit of a intermediate downtrend, but since we're so close to our profit target here, we don't want to give a lot of that back. We certainly don't want to let it go all the way up to our stop. So we're going to try to take out something out of this trade. What we don't want to do is end up negative on this particular trade. So it looks like we're going to retest this again, and I'm not going to be greedy here, but take us out. Alright, so we did 900 on that, minus the 70 we were down to begin with on the trade. So we go after commissions and all that, you know, we're right around the $800 mark, and that's a good point to stop. So what do we have? Two trades, one stop out, and then one winner. Alright, see you everyone tomorrow.